XinYuan C65 full hydraulic tire excavator. Total weight 6,200 kg. Mitsubishi engine with each eye. Maximum power 36.8 kilowatts. Maximum speed 2,200 rpm. New electronically controlled hydraulic system. Multiple power modes can be switched. High efficiency and energy saving are correct. The whole working device adopts reinforced design. Stable, powerful and more reliable. Boom 3,150mm. Bucket rod 1,750mm. The scope of work is wider and wider. Construction is more efficient. Flexible switching of multiple data. Work more efficiently. Fully hydraulic drive system. Flexible. Go anytime. Equipped with four-wheel hydraulic disc braking system. Efficient and safer. Upgrade 20-inch plus large engineering tires. Driving operations are more stable. 135-liter large capacity fuel tank design. Worry-free battery life is more durable. A new generation of family-style exterior design. Recognition for full cast-iron integrated rear counterweight. Better protection. The cab is spacious and comfortable. Wide field of vision. Base weight adopts shock absorption structure. Equipped with dual-track adjustable suspension seats. Optimized handle feel. More comfortable ride control. Standard front and rear dual cameras. Full-color liquid crystal display instrument. Independent surveillance video display. Standard headlights and rear taillights. Waking light warning light. Your total of 4 groups of light sources. All-round protection of your driving safety. XinYuan C65ECO full hydraulic tire excavator. Stronger performance. More comprehensive updates.